Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this video, I have decided to recreate the nail art of none other than the man, the myth, the legend himself, Harry Styles. I do not know who the lucky person was who got to do this beautiful nail art look on him, but I would literally pay someone $1 million to do Harry Styles' nails. So anyway, I decided to recreate his nails because I, like many probably of you, are obsessed with Harry Styles. I'm just in love with the entire Fine Line album, and I love these nails. I think they are really cute, so I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. So first up is the watermelon on his pinky, of course for Watermelon Sugar, which is a fantastic song, but not my favorite song on the album. I started by painting my nails 2 thin coats of a watermelon pinky red color, and then I'm taking a thin nail art brush with green nail polish and making this curved line almost like an abstract French tip. I'm filling that in, and then I'm taking a darker green nail polish and just kind of making short dashed lines to give the watermelon rind effect. You could do just straight lines, but I think kind of fanning them out a little bit like this gives more detail and makes it look a little bit more realistic. Next, with that same thin brush, I'm taking white nail polish and making the white part of the watermelon just by following the green line that I had already made. Then with some black nail polish, I'm just adding the seeds. And then I am finishing the look with a layer of top coat. Next, on my ring finger, I'm painting this super easy cherry design, of course for the song Cherry, which always gets me in my feels. I took a large dotting tool and some red nail polish and made really large red dots, and then with my thin nail art brush and dark green nail polish, I made 2 lines to connect at the top to look like a V. I added a little leaf for the cherry stem, and then sealing everything in with a top coat. On his middle finger, he had a kiwi, which of course is after the song Kiwi on his debut album, Harry Styles. I love this song, I love jamming out to it. So I started by painting 2 thin coats of green nail polish, and then I'm taking a large dotting tool and making a really oblong white shape, and you kind of want this to be irregular, you don't want it to be a perfect circle. And then I'm taking, again, my same thin nail art brush with some black nail polish and making those just random kiwi lines just to emulate what he had on his nails. On his pointer finger, he had a strawberry for the line in Watermelon Sugar, strawberries on a summer evening. So I again used that same color I used for the watermelon, and then I'm taking my thin nail art brush with that same dark green nail polish I've been using and just made almost like an upside down heart shape near my cuticle for the stem of the strawberry, and then I just used some white nail polish to add the seeds of the berry. And finally, on his thumb, he had this happy daisy, which reminds me of the song Treat People with Kindness. And this was actually really a difficult nail art look to complete. So I started with 2 thin coats of a light blue nail polish, and then I made that large yellow circle with a large dotting tool. And I'm also using the dotting tool to make those white petals. And then I'm using my thin nail art brush to complete that yellow circle because some of the white nail polish did overlap into the yellow daisy. And then this was the trickiest part, and I think my fine lines could really use some improvement, but I took my thin nail art brush with some black nail polish and started outlining all the petals, and this was really hard to do on camera, so I did most of them off camera. And then I also outlined the yellow daisy, like the part in the center, but again, it was pretty difficult to do on camera, so I did it off camera. And then it came time to create the happy face in the middle, which I thought was going to be easy, but I'm sorry, this thing is kind of creepy. I tried fixing it a bit off camera, and then I added my layer of top coat. So here is the finished Harry Styles nail art design. I really love how these turned out. It was a lot of fun to do. So if you have any other celebrities that have nail art that you would like to see recreated, definitely let me know in the comments below. And also let me know what your favorite Harry Styles song is. Mine has to be Golden. It just always makes me happy and makes me think of a really sunny day. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.